Hello guys, today I'm back with another video. This video is from Juno Co because I wanted to enter this challenge, and the challenge consists of putting SPF over your makeup. So as you can see, I have on makeup, and the microfiber technology helps to facilitate with reapplying your SPF without messing up your makeup. So I'm gonna be the one to see if that actually works. I'm gonna go in with my microfiber technology. I'm gonna go in with my microfiber sponge, and this is the precision sponge. This is my best sponge in the whole entire world. I love it so very much. So the only SPF that I have readily available is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF in 55. So we're going to use these two to see if I could successfully apply it over my makeup without destroying my makeup. So what I'm going to do is, because it does have like a white cast, I'm dollop to the palm of my hand and then apply it with the sponge. That's the SPF, and I'm going to go in with my favorite sponge. So I'm just going to dollop it off because I really don't want it to mess up my makeup. So let's see. So it feels really good. Guys, if you look right here, you will see that it left a cast, but because I have on makeup on, you can't really detect it like that, which is a good thing because we're doing this for healthy skin preventative measures. So again, I'm just gonna go back in and dollop again. This is the best sponge because it doesn't absorb hardly of any of your makeup. So I'm just doing a dabbing motion because I don't want it to go on too thick. And then you can see it right there. And then I'm going to go over some spots on my forehead. And of course, you want to also do your neck, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to focus on my face. And now we're all done. Now you can leave it like this if you want to, but with me, I'm just gonna go back over it with some powder. Just bear in mind that you want to reapply your SPF every 2 hours because that's the most effective way to protect you from the sun rays and things like that. So every 2 hours, you can't just put on your SPF in the morning and go about your entire day. In order for it to be effective, you have to reapply every 2 hours. And if you have on makeup, you can do this successfully with your Juno Co sponges. So here we are right now with the SPF application. How did I do? Looks good. Now keep in mind, I told you this one does have like a white residue cast, and they have SPF options out there that could be sprays or it's like a clear invisible type of application, but this was the only one that I had available. So just imagine how it would look if it was actually clear. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go back over with a little bit of my setting powder. I guess maybe just to set it, but you don't have to. You can leave it as is. And then I'm gonna apply some highlighter with one of my favorite Juno Co brushes. So I'm just going back over it, setting it with a big fluffy brush so it won't be so concentrated, so the powder will disperse pretty good. I'm gonna add some highlighter with my favorite brush from Juno Co, which is the ES03. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm just going to go back over my highlighter just a little bit more. I don't have to, but I like to be extra.
She was fly, and that's why she was fly.
Guys, so if you see the contents in the box, you already know that I am a sponge head. I love it so much.
When you find someone like her, you gotta lift her up. Lift her up, lift
As
her
you
up.
can see, I do not play about my sponges. I do have a link for you to get 20% off. When you purchase with my link, you will get 20% off, and I also get 20% off on my future purchases. So guys, I'm not gonna be modest. I'm gonna be really upfront. If you're gonna purchase anything, please use my link, and we're looking out for each other, right? Yes, I see you, you see me. Yes, we're working together. So guys, this is gonna conclude my video. I successfully applied the SPF. It did not disrupt the makeup application. And yes, I'm gonna come back with a series of videos on my favorite tools to buy from Juno Co, because it's a very affordable website. Guys, you already know I have videos on my channel regarding this company. So yes, please give me a thumbs up if you felt like this was helpful. We have to work together to give us tips and tricks on how to have healthy skin. Even though we wear makeup, we still want that skin to be flawless, okay? Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.